there are two things that consistently come up on the assessments we ask people. One is they'd like to lose weight. Two is they'd like to gain energy. And many people have invested in a whole stack of books trying to figure out just how to do this. Well, we're here to support you with it. So there are two things that you need to do if that's what you want. The first is schedule a body composition analysis scan. This is a scan that looks at how much muscle, how much fat, how much water, where it is in the body. It gives us a very clear picture of your current body state. Those are usually $35 with us. For the next 2 weeks before the workshop that we have coming up, they are free, no cost to you. So make sure you call in and get scheduled for that, or you can click the button below. The other thing is we have a workshop coming up on the 14th of May. This is about SprintSet Energizing weight loss system. This is a company that we've partnered with. I know the owner, Dr. Roger Sahori, very well. The system is based on 2 Nobel Prize winning technologies, and we had 4 people go through it in the first 3 months of the year, and they lost a combined well over 100 pounds. Our leader, she lost 53 pounds during the process. So we're excited about that. We're excited to bring it to you and tell you what the system's about and other things that you can do in your lifestyle to support that. Make sure that you also sign up for the workshop and make sure you bring a friend, because lots of people are looking for this. We look forward to helping you have this be the healthiest, most energized summer that you've ever had.